obeyed the voice of the Lord our God, to walk in his laws, which he set before us by his servants, the prophets.
Have transgressed thy law, even by departing that they might not obey thy voice. Therefore the curse is poured upon us, the oath that is written in the law of Moses, the servant of God. Because we have sinned
against him.
And he has confirmed his word which he spake against us, and against our judges that judged us by bringing upon us
a great evil. For under the whole heaven hath not been done as hath been done upon Jerusalem.
as it is written in the law of Moses. All this evil is come upon us, yet made we not our prayer before the Lord our God, that we might turn from our iniquities and understand thy truth.
Therefore hath the Lord watched upon the evil and brought it upon us. For the Lord our God is righteous in all his works which he doeth, for we obeyed not his voice.
And now, O Lord our God, that hast brought thy people forth out of the land of Egypt with a mighty hand, and hast gotten thee renown, as at this day we have sinned, we have done wickedly.
Now therefore, O our God, hear the prayer of thy servant and his supplications, and cause thy face to shine upon thy sanctuary that is desolate for the Lord's sake. O my God, incline thine ear and hear, open thine eyes, and behold our desolations in the city which is called by thy name. For we do not present our supplications before thee for our righteousnesses, but for thy great mercies.